Good morning. A little bit of target shooting. Trouble is the wind is blowing left to right on the target down there. And I just want to zero this in properly. So we'll get on with it. Look, the camera's moving a bit. Yeah, as you can see, it's blowing left to right, so we're taking out one there. When I take the safety off. And that's shot high. So come down to the bottom, that's the other one. And that looks like it's in the ball. So I can't be that far out. Yeah. Maybe a little bit high, I don't know. Maybe it's just a fraction high. Right, I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to come down. And the Y. Right, the Y is reading 32. So I'm taking it to 35. And we'll see how that goes. Oh, I think that shot higher. Mind you, don't help because the paper's moving. Yeah, that shot higher, so so it was on 33, so I'm going to come down to 30. Shot lower. Maybe 33 is the best. Let's zoom in a bit. Oh, I'm on maximum zoom now. Yeah, I think they're on target. There's the last shot. And I didn't record. This is how you muck up videos. So I'll just come over a little bit to the left, I think. Shot low. These little red dots are only 3mm, I think. That was me shooting high. The wind's not helping because it's moving the paper, so that's my excuse anyway. Could be shooting just a little bit to the right. Okay. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do now, I've got a last magazine and I'm going to put a close range target up. I don't, let's see, see if I can get down at 4 yards, I suppose. Shit. Okay. I'll have the range find that and see what that is. Can't see. Oh. 5 yards. Okay. Got to find it. 5 yards. That shot down there. So did I change? Hang on. Right, okay, I didn't alter the reticle. I've got it on dial-in and not hold over, so this is dial-in. So that was on that that first shot I took down there was on the long distance target. And there it is, bullseye. And that's at 5 yards. And it's all going through the same hole. The ballistic calculator is working well. We'll go for that bottom shot, which there, and that shot a bit low. So I'm not quite sure if we're shooting low or high, so let's see. That's on target. It's not bad, it's on target. Yeah. That was it. 12 shots. That's not bad, is it? Okay, stop the video. Turn the scope off. Yeah, the ballistic calculator is working fine. I think really, if anything, I might have to change the pellets. Try, was it QYS's Streamlines? They say they're a good pellet for these. I do like the Barracuda, which I was using. Barracuda 8s, were they, or 15s? Because I've got 500 of these Superfills, so I'll have to use them before even thinking about getting a different type. But at the moment, I'll walk down and get that target and see that long distance target. Right. Right, okay. Well, looking at this, it don't seem too bad, really. I don't know if you can see how small these dots are. That's a direct hit on the bullseye. Another direct hit on the bullseye, and that one as well. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. So really, they're not too bad. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I mean, they're all headshots. All headshots. If you was doing ratting, ratting from 24 yards to 5 yards. Yeah, very good scope. What I've noticed on YouTube though, when people are talking about these Zulis scopes, they never talk about the sound quality. Well, the sound quality is absolutely fantastic. It's much better than the sound on the phone or the cameras. It's loud, you know, you can hear it. When I play back this, you'll see how good the sound quality is on the scope. Setting up the blister calculator is straightforward. It's nothing too hard. I mean, I'm not that clever. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Yeah, anyway, if you enjoyed this little video, give the thumbs up and leave your comments. And oh, I did drive out yesterday for this log site, and they built, mind you, it was a couple of years ago when I saw it, but they built some place on it. So I've still got to look around to see where I can shoot at longer distances. Anyway, as I said, if you enjoyed the video, give the thumbs up and leave your comments. And I'll see you on the next shoot. I'll see you later. Bye.